Yes, sir.
Or still anybody is in confusion for this? किसी का नहीं हुआ है अभी? Any difficulty in solving this? If anybody is having difficulty, please let me know so that I will solve it. Otherwise, I will go with the next example. So what should I consider? Whether understood
No
or
problem, sir.
not understood? No
Understood, sir.
problem. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So hope you all have got the answer. Just check the answers once. For the first part, the answer is 1, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 2. Have you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is the
sir.
answer of first part. Okay. Then what about second part? How you have performed? Second one, either you can go for tabular column or else you can go with this multiplication method. So what is the linear convolution result?
2
Can anyone
minus
tell me?
1 minus 2, 2
Huh.
minus 2 minus 1, 2.
Okay, so this is your linear convolution result. You can use any method. You can go for tabular column method, or you can go for graphical representation method, or else you can go for this simple multiplication in multiplication form. Okay. Now, how do you convert? I think you need to convert this result into the circular convolution result. Okay. So, can anyone tell me what is the result of circular convolution, or like how do you convert this result into circular convolution result?
Add last two samples to the first two samples respectively.
Okay, we are adding like last two samples to the first two samples. So here the purpose of that is we want the circular convolution output as like 5 samples to be present there. Okay, so because of that, so we need to take these like 5 samples, means we want to convert this linear convolution result into the 5 sample result. So I am adding this first point with the sample which is present on the 5th position or 6th position, and this second sample is added with the 7th position. So that means, so these two values are added with the last two samples. So we got the value as again 1, 1, minus 2, 2 and minus 2. Is everyone has got this result?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I move to the next example?
Yes.
Okay. So let us take this question again. Just write down this question. Here the question is two length 4 sequences are defined below. 2 length 4 sequences are defined below. X of n equals to cos pi n by 2 for the value of n 0, 1, 2, 3, and h of n equals to 2 to the power n, again for n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. So first bit is calculate x of n, circle under 4. What it is indicating?
Circular convolution.
Circular convolution of 4 point it is. Right? Circle under 4, it is indicating that we are performing a circular convolution operation for the 4 point value. So that is x of n circularly convoluted with h of n by doing circular convolution directly. So this is the first question. That is first bit. What about second bit? Calculate x of n circle under 4 again h of n by doing linear convolution. So that means first we need to calculate linear convolution, then again we need to convert that result into the circular convolution. Can you do this part?
Yes, sir.
We just try. Anybody is having any doubt here? So that I will solve it. Aisha Tamboli. Aisha is there?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt, madam, here?
No.
Are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gayatri Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Are you solving this example, madam?
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty?
No, sir.
नो सर का आवाज कम आ रहा है.
No, sir.
ओके. ईश्वरी. ईश्वरी शेळके. ईश्वरी is there? जागृति.
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व कर रहे हैं क्या मैडम एग्जाम्पल?
हाँ, sir.
ओके. एनी कंफ्यूजन? एनी डिफिकल्टी?
No, sir.
ओके. सॉल्व झाल्यानंतर आन्सर सांगायचं मला. मयूरी नामदे. मयूरी. Mayur Namde is there? Monica Sinde.
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व केला का मॅडम पहिला बिट?
ट्राय चालू आहे सर.
चालू आहे. तुमचे सिक्वेन्स आले का? एक्साफनचे सिक्वेन्स काय आलंय? व्हॉट इज युअर एक्साफन सिक्वेन्स? हेलो हेलो मोनिका.
यस सर.
एक्साफन सीक्वेंस क्या है आपका?
10 minus 10.
ओके. व्हाट अबाउट एच ऑफ एन?
कैलकुलेट कर रही हूँ.
HFN अभी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. ओके ठीक है. हाँ. मयुरे मॅडमला माझा आवाज जात नाही. आवाज ऐकू येत ना सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Maybe she has to unmute her. मयुरे मॅडम अनम्यूट करा आणि you will listen to my voice. You can speak the voice. Pradeep is there. Pradeep Kamble. Pradeep Kamble. Pradeep Kamble. Rupali Pawar. Rupali
Yes, sir.
Pawar. Madam,
Yes, sir.
are you solving this example?
Yes, sir.
Solving, na?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the first answer?
Yes, yes.
What is the answer you got?
Sir, now calculating. X of n 1 0 minus 1 0. X of
H of
n
n?
and H of n circular convolution काढायला.
काढा लागलाय का?
1 2 4 8.
Okay, okay. करा. Find out circular convolution result. Okay. Okay, have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will check. So what is the first answer? The first answer should be for circular convolution it is. Yes, can anyone tell me the answer?
-3, -6, 3 and 6.
Okay. Is everyone has got this answer?
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
असं माझं कान
Yes,
पडायला पाहिजे सगळ्यांनी
sir.
येस म्हटलं तर. असला आवाज यायला पाहिजे. Yes, Pradeep, are you available? Pradeep Kamble. प्रतीक है का?
Yes, sir.
Prateek Palunchkar. Have you got
Yes.
the answer?
Yes.
-3 -6 3 and 6.
Okay. Prateek.
Hello.
अरे काय
Yes,
तर
sir.
कोण तर बोलत जावा, मला बरं वाटतंय. आहे का ना असं डाऊट येतं मला कधी कधी. अधून
नाही,
मधून
sir,
जरा बोलत राहायचं. ऐकता ना? ठीक आहे. You got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about second part?
-6.
No. First you tell me linear convolution answer.
2, 3, 6, -4, -8
Okay.
and 0.
It is 1, 2, 3, 6, -4, -8. ठीक है? So hope you all know how to convert this into circular convolution. And if anyone is having any confusion, जर तुमचा example solve झालं नसेल तर you can ask me, sir, you solve the example. So I am ready to solve it. Right? So the final answer for this is, we got it as circular convolution result is again same as the above result. So it is -3 -636. कोणाचं जर झालं नसेल तर 1 मिनिट वेळ देतो मी, लिहून घ्या सगळं, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. यू कॅन नोट डाऊन दिस. Finished? Can I move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will take our next example. So any confusion here? Now in calculating linear convolution and converting linear convolution into circular convolution and calculating circular convolution and converting circular convolution to linear convolution. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's take one example, which is again a very important. So which I forgot to take that part in the previous case. So here we'll take that example. Some important examples I will take. So you just write down this question. This question number 2, you just write. Let x of k denote. Just write this. Let x of k denote the 6-point DFT of the sequence. Let x of k denote the 6-point DFT of the sequence. 6-point DFT of the sequence. X of n equals to, just write down that value. X of 1 equals to -1, 4, 2, 3. -1, 4, 2, 3, 0, 0. Without computing the IDFT, determine the length 6 sequence. Determine the length 6 sequence y of n whose 6-point DFT is y of k equals to W3 to the power 2k into x of k. So this is the another way of asking the question with circular time shift property again. Okay. Have you noted the question?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
you just note down solution, and note down the given sequence once again. Just note down the solution, note down the given sequence once again. So what is given? The given sequence is x of n equals to, the given sequence is x of n is equals to, what is that? It is -1, 4,
2, 3, 0, 0.
2, 3 and 0, 0. So this is the given sequence. Okay. And what DFT they have given is, it is given that, it is given as the value of W3 to the power 2k they have given. Can anyone tell me what is the value of n here? n का value कितना है?
6.
No, in the given this DFT.
2.
3.
2, 3, 6. आणि काय राहिलेत का मॅडम? Can you tell me one answer?
3.
It is 3.
3.
As per the given question, it is 3. But we want to calculate it for the 6 values. Okay? Getting my point? So we have to convert this value into the 6-point value. तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे हम अभी? So this can be written as this omega 3 to the power 2k can be written as, how we can write this? This is equals to, I can write it as e power कैसा लिख सकते हैं इसको हम? बताएं मुझे, how I can write this expansion can be written as? कोई बताएंगे मुझे? W3 to the power 2k can be expressed as, how it can be expressed? How it can be expressed? क्या लिख रहे हैं हम? W1 equals to normal, हाँ, e raised to
minus j 2 pi
it is
2 divided by 3.
e raised to minus, is e raised to minus j 2 pi divided by 3 into this 2k as it is we are writing. Okay. So this question is, this is given as a 3-point value. Now if I want to calculate this for 6 point, तो क्या चेंज करना पड़ेगा मुझे यहाँ पे? और ये रिजल्ट सेम रखना है हमें. So this can be written as, can I write it like this? E power minus j 2 pi divided by 6 into 4k. Is both are same?
Yes, sir.
Any changes there?
No.
So this is a 3-point value to 6-point value I have converted now. Understood? I have understood this. Now
Yes.
we know that.
Yes, sir.
Now we know that. Are you writing this?
Yes, sir.
Now we know that, you just write, according to circular time shift property, according to circular time shift property, what we will write? Can anyone tell me? DFT of, क्या प्रॉपर्टी है उसका? X of modulo n minus L n can be written as, what we can write? Wn to the power kl into x of k. Okay. Or if I want to write this as the IDFT of this value, IDFT of this part Wn to the power kl into x of k, which will be equals to, what we will write? X of modulo n minus L, it is n. What is the value of L here? Anybody? What is the value of L? Hence, we can write y of n is equals to x of modulo n minus, now tell me, what is the value of L?
4.
4 it is. Okay, very good. 4 modulo the n value is 6. Okay. Now, how do you calculate this y of n? Can you calculate the y of n value now? Yes. So y of n we can calculate now as y of n, we can calculate it as y of n equals to x of modulo n minus 4 6. So let us calculate first y of 0, which will be equals to x of modulo 0 minus 4 6, which will be equals to, what is the value? X of
2.
2 it is.
2.
X of 2. तो x of 2 का वैल्यू क्या है आपका?
2.
What is the value? 2. Okay, now it is 2. Likewise, can you calculate all the values? कितने values calculate करना है आपको? You need to calculate the values up to y of 1, y of 2, y of 3, y of 4, and y of 5. You have to calculate the value. Just calculate these values. Let's see. Can you calculate this?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion in this initial stage, initial steps? Any confusion in initial step?
No, sir.
Conversion part में नहीं है ना? Okay. You please go ahead. Samiksha is there? Samiksha Korke.
Yes, sir.
Kala का madam example. Have you understood?
हो समजलं sir.
Are you calculating the further values?
Yes, sir. Calculating.
Okay. Just do
Y
it.
of n, sir, 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 1 and 4.
Okay. Y of n we got it is 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 1 and 4.
0, 0, minus 1 and 4.
Okay. Good. Shujay is there? Shujay.
हाँ हेलो सर
हाँ सुजय सॉल्व केला का एग्जांपल
करतो सर
Yes.
हाँ सर चालू आहे.
Any difficulty? Any doubt? Have you understood?
नाही सर.
कळालंय का सगळं पहिला पार्ट?
हा
किती व्हॅल्यूज कॅल्क्युलेट केल्या तुम्ही आता? y ऑफ 0 तर कॅल्क्युलेट केलं. y ऑफ 1 चं व्हॅल्यू काय आलं? y ऑफ 1 चं व्हॅल्यू सांगा. हां?
2.
y ऑफ 0 चं व्हॅल्यू
Two ना?
झालं 2.
दोन.
y ऑफ 1 चं y ऑफ
Three.
0 चं व्हॅल्यू 2. हां, y ऑफ 1 चं 3 आहे. ओके. पुढचं
3.
पुढचं व्हॅल्यू किती आहे?
3. Y of 3.
y ऑफ 2 नाही, y ऑफ 0 2 आलं, y ऑफ 3 1 आलं, सॉरी 3 आलं आणि y ऑफ 2 चं व्हॅल्यू
3.
3 येत नाही. चेक करा थोडं. 3 कसं काय आलं तुमचं? 3 minus 4 म्हणजे किती? 3 minus 4 minus 1 आलं. -1 आणि +6 मग किती व्हॅल्यू आलं?
5.
5 आलं. मग x ऑफ 5 चं व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? x ऑफ 5 व्हॅल्यू इज
एक मिनिट सर.
x ऑफ 5 व्हॅल्यू इज 0 ना?
हा 0.
हां ठीक आहे. पुढचं व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करा तसंच.
हा सर.
सूरज इज देयर? सूरज गवटे. सूरज. तनुजा. तनुजा गोलप. वैष्णवी सुरवसे.
Yes, sir.
Have you solved the example, madam?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me your answers? What you have got?
Sir, y of 0 2, y of 0, y of 1 3, then 2, 0 0 minus 1 4.
Okay. Okay, is everyone has solved this answer? Question?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the answer we have got is y of 1. Can you tell me the answers now?
3.
It is 3,
0 0
3, 0, 0, then
plus 1
Minus 1 and
1,
4.
and last one is 4. Okay. So this is the way how we are calculating the answer of y of n. So any confusion here? So y of n we got it as, what is the answer? Like 2, 3, 0, 0, -1 and 4. Okay. So this is as usual method, but I have told you one more shortcut method. How to calculate that? Is anyone remember that? That shortcut is just for verifying the answer. Yes? मुझे ये सब नहीं करना है. Like I don't want to do for this y of n calculation and all. So how do you solve this? Is anyone remember that?
L is equal to 4, so we take the last 4 number first and then take first and second.
Very good. May I know your name?
Vaishnavi Gote.
Very good. Okay. So as I told you, like shortcut method. So first we have to take these 4 numbers as L is 4. So these 4 numbers we will write as it is first. So first these 4 numbers. Okay. So these 4 numbers we are writing as it is, as L is 4. So y of n equals to, I will write it as 2, 3, 0, 0, followed by the remaining numbers. So this is the answer we can calculate just for verification purpose, right? So please don't do this in an examination, so you will not get the marks. So this you can just for verification you can do it. So any confusion here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can I go to the one more example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more, the important example which I missed is, you just note down this. Just note down. This is like kind of revision or test you can consider. So intentionally I am taking this example at the end, एक part example, such that you can recall the previous things. Just note down this. The first 5 point of the 8-point DFT of real valued sequence are, the first 5 point of the 8-point DFT of real valued sequence are, the first 5 point of the 8-point DFT of a real valued sequence are, and I think this question is there for your assignment also. So it is 0.25, 0.5 minus j 0.5, comma 0, comma 0.5 minus j 0.86, comma 0. Find the remaining 3 points. Find the remaining 3 points. Can you solve this example? So can anyone tell me how it can be solved?
By using symmetric property.
Okay, real valued sequence for symmetry property. What is its statement?
X of n minus k is equal to x of complex conjugate of k.
Okay, so that means x of n minus k equals to x star of k. Okay. Can you do this? Please calculate that. आता त्याला कट करून टाकावं लागतं. कसं हे क्वेश्चन विचारलेलं हे सगळं पुरा पॉज करायचं ना, okay. I got the answer.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
X of 5 is equal to 0.5 plus j 0.86. X of 6 is equal to 0. X of 7 is equal to 0.5 plus j 0.5.
Okay, at the end you just complete that sequence. The complete 8-point sequence is Is everyone has got this answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Just note down one more question. Just note down this question. Given the 8-point DFT of the sequence, given the 8-point DFT of the sequence, x of n equals to 1 for 0 to 3, that is 0 n less than or equals to 3, and is 0 from 4 to 7. From 4 to 7. Compute the DFT of just write down that question, x1 of n and x2 of n. ऐसा है ना? खूपच complicated. Okay. Can you calculate the DFT of first sequence?
Instruction sheet फक्त update use करा. पहिल्या sheet मध्ये IBC code चुकी द्यावा लागला.
Calculate the DFT of the first sequence. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you calculate that? इसको अभी time लगेगा, like you require time for this. So hope you all know like how to calculate 8-point DFT. Any confusion in calculating 8-point DFT?
No, sir.
Okay, so we will write down the answer of that first part and we'll go for calculating the second step. Okay. So for that, we just first note down these diagrams. Right, solution. Solution, then write down this diagram. Are you able to understand what diagrams are these? So what is that first diagram indicating? कोई बताएंगे मुझे? What is the first diagram indicating? Yes. है क्या वहां पे सब लोग? Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is that first diagram indicating? XP of n का मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by XP of n? Have you heard of this name?
Yes.
What is that? What does it indicate? Hmm?
Periodic sequence.
Yes, it is periodic sequence. So the first part, what it is indicating is, so here, so we have this part. This is like यहाँ से यहाँ तक it is 0 to, right? So this, if you consider from this point to this point, is our given sequence? What is given in the first question? It is first part, x of n is present, that is equals to 1 from 0 to 3. So ये 0, 1, 2, 3 पे present है. And again it is 0 at 4, 5, 6, 7. Getting my point? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, after that, again it is repeating the same thing. Okay, like 8, 9, 10, 11, then again continuing. So this is the periodic repetition of the first sequence. Have understood?
Yes.
Then second one, x1 p of n. So x1 p of n, that means x1 of n, what it is given? It is given that at 0 it is 1, then again 1 to 4 it is 0. So this is what it is given. Right? At 0 it is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 it is 0, and 5, 6, 7 it is 1. Understood? And further it is repeating with the same part. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then second, x2 p of n. x2 p of n, what it is given? It is given that at 0 it is 0, then that is, it is 0 at 0 and 1. So it is given this way. Right? At 0 it is 0, at 1 it is 0. It is present for the value 2 to 5, and at 6 it is 0 and 7 it is 0. So this is just, we have represented the given sequence in graphical form. Okay? Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you just add one line there. We observe that by shifting xp of n linearly, 3 times linearly, 3 times left, xp of n linearly 3 times left, we get x1 p of n. We get x1 p of n. Similarly, next point, similarly, by shifting xp of n linearly, similarly, by shifting xp of n linearly 2 times right, 2 times right, we get x2 p of n. We get x2 p of n. Are you all agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, so let us write down. This is what just understanding with this diagram. Now, this is given question. The first part is this one. Like given x of n equals to 1, 0 to 3, and is 0. So first initially we are calculating its DFT, and by using a circular time shift property, we are calculating the DFT of other two sequences. So that is the main purpose. So this is given x of n equals to 1, 0 to 3, and is 0 for 4 to 7. Next line is just add. We know that DFT of, according to the definition of DFT, according to the definition of DFT, we can write it as x of k equals to n equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi nk by n for the value of k equals to 0, 1 up to n minus 1. Now just I will give you the answer of this, and we just calculate the final answer. Just note down this answer. X of k equals to, so this is the answer. Okay, noted?
Yes, sir.
Now, next point. By applying time shift property, by applying time shift property, by applying time shift property, we can find DFT of x1 of n and x2 of n. We can find DFT of x1 of n and x2 of n. The next point we just add. The sequence x1 of n can be obtained. The sequence x1 of n can be obtained by shifting the sequence x of n. The sequence x1 of n can be obtained by shifting the sequence x of n circularly 3 times. Circularly 3 times in clockwise direction. Circularly 3 times in clockwise direction. That is x1 of n equals to x1 of n equals to x of modulo n plus 3 n. And its DFT can be written as this way. Just note down this part. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Now we know that the DFT of x of modulo n minus m n is equals to, you note this formula. This is according to our circular time shift property again. So this is the formula we are having according to circular time shift property. So x of n minus m n equals to x of k e power minus j 2 pi k m by n. So what is the value of m according to our problem? What is the value of m? Hello?
-3.
It's -3. So for our problem, m equals to -3. Therefore, let's just write x1 of k equals to x of k into e power j 3 pi k by 4. x1 of k equals to x of k e power j 3 pi k by 4. So now calculate its value x1 of k for 8 point. कैलकुलेट करेंगे उसका वैल्यू.
Yes, sir.
देन व्हाट अबाउट सेकंड पार्ट. तो वहां पे क्या किया था, ये लेफ्ट शिफ्ट था अपना, तो सेकंड पार्ट के लिए राइट शिफ्ट है. तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? x2 ऑफ n इज व्हाट? What will be the value of x2 of n?
X of modulo n minus 2 n.
Yes, it is x of modulo n minus 2 n. तो उसके हिसाब से हमें लिखना है. Then x2 of k equals to, we are going to write like this way. So x2 of k equals to dft x of modulo n minus 2 n. Can you complete that part? Hope you understood this.
Yes, sir.
You just complete this, and if it is difficult for you, then we will solve it once again. Okay. Now I will stop it here. Please mark your attendance. काय म्हणतात कुंभार सर?
गेले ते हा